Brain fog, a term that many of us have come across but might struggle to define. The feeling of confusion, lack of attention, and difficulties recalling information are some of the symptoms of brain fog. It may surprise you to learn that the causes of this condition are directly linked to our habits. Understanding brain fog. To understand brain fog, let's first get a grasp on what it is. This term is used to describe feelings of mental confusion or lack of mental clarity. It's characterized by an inability to focus, poor memory functioning, and a lack of mental sharpness. It can often feel like a cloud that reduces your visibility in a foggy weather, but in this case, it's your cognitive processes that are affected. The causes of brain fog. There are two major reasons why we experience brain fog, and both are linked directly to our habits: chronic inflammation and stress. Chronic inflammation. The first cause of brain fog is chronic inflammation. Inflammation is the result of the activities of our immune system. Temporary inflammation is beneficial as this is the mechanism used by the body to heal and repair damages. However, chronic inflammation is a constant response of our immune system, causing numerous issues in the body including the brain. Inflammation impacts the brain and prevents us from processing information effectively. The brain collects and interprets data it receives from our internal and external sensors. To interpret data, our brain compares the new data with stored information or memory. If we remember a similar situation, we may use our past experiences to act in the moment. However, when we are inflamed, this process is no longer optimized, causing more difficulties in dealing with ourselves and our environment. The causes of chronic inflammation. Lifestyle plays a huge role in the inflammation process. Eating a balanced diet with a healthy amount of fiber can help heal our colon from leaky gut, which is due to a weak colon lining. Also, avoiding inflammatory foods like gluten, dairy, and chemicals contained in highly processed foods is beneficial. Other effective ways to fight inflammation include getting adequate sleep, avoiding dehydration, and exercising regularly. Stress. The second major cause of brain fog is stress. A stressful lifestyle triggers the body to release a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is known as our stress hormone. When we get stressed, our body releases cortisol into the bloodstream. This hormone pushes our body to break down reserves of sugar and release it into the blood. This sudden boost of sugar rushes to the brain and causes inflammation, leading to brain fog. To manage stress, we should consume a whole food diet, especially foods rich in dietary fiber found in plant-based whole foods. Regular exercise, improved sleep quality, and using breathing techniques can also significantly reduce your stress levels. In conclusion, brain fog is not a life sentence. By becoming aware of the causes and taking steps to manage or eliminate them, we can significantly reduce the occurrence of brain fog. Remember to eat healthily, exercise regularly, sleep well, and find effective ways to manage stress. With these in place, you will be well on your way to clearing the fog and enjoying better mental clarity.